Here are our three options for our Sales Catalyst offer. We have Sales Starter, Sales Automation, and Advanced Sales. These offerings are for organizations that are looking to grow, that are looking to digitally transform what they're doing for better data visibility, better reporting, better forecasting, as well as management, and being able to help your team be self-directed. From a Sales Starter perspective, the focus is really from the lead opportunity and its minimum customizations and guidance as far as what your business process flow should look like and the reports and dashboards that you get access to. Sales automation, you get some more advanced report capabilities as well as a slightly more complicated and or flexible business process flow with an additional branch and additional data points set up and configured. From an advanced sales perspective, we are also going to include the business process flow extending through quote so that you can add and have products associated to your quote, have quoting capabilities, a document template, as well as additional branches and data points associated to your unique business process. This also includes some additional reporting capabilities. These options are great for organizations that are looking to hit the ground running, get some guidance, some best practices, and be able to move very fast and quickly and have a partner there to help support them along the way.